best boy in the class. Class. This is a sentence of superlative. When indicate positive or negative, at first you have to write no other. Then you have to write the next part of superlative form. Boy in the class. Next you have to write is, verb. No other boy in the class, is, as. Then you have to write positive form of superlative degree. The positive form of best is good. Good as subject, he. The answer of the sentence is no other boy in the class is as good as he. It is the positive or negative. When it indicate the sentence of superlative form is negative, the answer of this sentence is no other boy in the class is as good as he. So you must remember, it is the same answer of this sentence, superlative sentence. When indicate any superlative form is comparative. She is the wisest woman in the village. In the village. Comparative. When indicate any sentence is comparative, you must write, at first write subject, she, then verb, omit the, and then write comparative form of superlative, wiser. Then you have to write than any other, omit than all other. When the sentence is all other, you have to write all other. Otherwise, you have to write any other. Wiser than any other. Next, you have to write the next part of superlative form. Woman in the village. It is the answer of the superlative form and it is comparative form. Next, when you have find the positive form of comparative, no other boy in the class is as tall as Rana. Indicate affirmative, oblique, superlative. When indicate the negative sentence is affirmative, you must indicate, you must transfer superlative form. At first you have to write the subject Rana, then verb Rana is. You have to write the, then you have to write the superlative form of adjective tallest. Tallest. Next, the boy in the class. Boy in the class. In the class. It is the affirmative form of this negative sentence, and also the superlative form of this negative sentence. The another example is no other country in the world is as small as Bangladesh. No other country in the world is as small as Bangladesh. Indicate affirmative, oblique, superlative. The same answer of this sentence, you have either affirmative or superlative. At first you have to write subject Bangladesh, then verb is, Bangladesh is the
কি আছে কি দাদা
Bangladesh is the smallest country in the world. In the world. It is the answer of this question. When if find one of the sentence, when you find one of the in any superlative form, you have to answer very few. He is the one of the is bravest boys in the class. Indicate positive, oblique, negative. When indicate positive, oblique, negative, you have to write, at first you have to write very few. Very few. Next, you have to write the next part of superlative form. Boys in the class. In the class. Then you have to write the plural form of verb. The plural form of verb is are. Very few boys in the class are as. Then you have to write the positive form of superlative degree. Bravest, the positive form of bravest is brave. As he. It is the negative answer of this superlative form. So you must remember and you must remember the various form of superlative form: bravest, brave, braver, bravest, wise, wiser, wisest, tall, taller, tallest, and so on. The another example is Dhaka is one of the largest cities in Bangladesh. Indicate negative obliques positive. The answer of the sentence is at first you have to write very few. Then you have to write the next part of superlative form. The next part of superlative form is city in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh. Very few cities in Bangladesh. Then you have to write the plural form of verb are, as. Then you have to write the positive form of largest, large, as Dhaka. It is the answer of this sentence.
Ponoro. আর 2-3 মিনিট দেন।
Now I am teaching you the comparative form of superlative, including one of the. He is oldest man in the village. Indicate comparative. When you solve this kind of sentence, you have to write, at first you have to write subject, he is, omit the one of the, and then you have to write comparative form of oldest, older, he is older than most other, then you have to write the next part of superlative form, men in the village, I am finishing today's lesson. Next day I teach you the next part of this sentence. Thank you very much, and you are always busy in your study for your better result. So you must study hard. Thank you very much.
বন্ধ করবেন লালটা কি